These guys proving the engineering feat that Vans shoes are by scientifically testing Oh, I see. They're saying that Vans shoes are an engineering feat. So they tested them scientifically to see if they always land right side up. Got it.
Have you ever tried this? Apparently
Never.
It's a conspiracy.
I've never tried this, but certainly the soles are heavy on them compared to the upper. The soles are way heavier.
Get out of here.
So the video shows a guy throwing a couple Vans, and they all land upside or right side
right side up on the sole.
Even if they like launch it into a hallway.
I don't know. It always?
Whoa.
Remember we were talking about this the other day?
You got Ryan's attention.
I'm skeptical on this one.
Do you have any Vans?
Not the traditional. I have a different.
I don't own Vans either, so I can't test this either.
No, I can't.
But now I have to order a pair just to test this.
You have to. I have to.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why this would be such an important thing to engineer. I guess you can just throw them to the front door and they're always...
Maybe.
I wouldn't... I'd probably never use it.
I don't know what the
could be fake.
advantage of that.
But, yeah, we should go test them.
Like I said, it could be a weight thing. Maybe if he threw it from a lower height, right? Lower height, they didn't have enough energy to flip back over. I don't know,
But
man.
never? Is that... I mean, we saw a few videos. Never, ever?
They're definitely weighted on the bottom.
I would find it pretty useful when you're taking off your shoes with your feet and they're always right side up. That's kind of useful.
Wait a second. Here's another reason, which somebody just reminded me. They're for skating, right? For skateboarding.
Yeah.
So if they always land right side up, your ankle might be happy about that.
Oh, so it's helping you.
Well, it's just like the tendency for them is to land flat as opposed to on their side. And if you do land on the side, then it wants to go flat.
Right.
The shoe. I don't know. I'm sure plenty of people have completely had their ankles explode while wearing Vans.
Yeah.
But we're going to have to obviously test this. I don't know what people think. Let me know if you think it's fake or real. What do people in the thread here think is fake or real? Did anyone say?
I wish I just had a Van on. I could just throw right now and just see.
All right. No, nobody knows for certain. Somebody got tested out. Oh, here we go. These videos are clearly fake. The shots are reversed. If you watch it playing forward, the shoes are already sole side down on the floor. Then they jump into the air, and the guy catches them.
See, they're always funny comments.
There is no magic here, just tricky editing. So the shoes are jumping on their own, and it's not magic.
Exactly.
Deep fakes.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure a lot of people have Vans, right? You can just test it out and see.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm hoping. Someone run for the Vans right now and let me know in the comments.
The one that caught me is coming up when he throws it on like the shelf and it lands flat. It does not look right.
There's somebody in the chat says I'm doing it right now with my Vans and it works perfect every time.
Oh, wow.
Someone says the Vans are a paid actor.
All of them?
Yeah, every single one.
All right, we can't speculate. We'll just get our own. But
we'll get to the bottom of it. I don't know. This is we got to figure out this conspiracy for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get to
Next
the bottom
episode.
of it. Yeah, we got another person confirming. Jeez.